Hello and welcome back to Picky Swede's lockpicking channel. And Patrick sent me another package with locks. You saw my previous video with his hobo door lock. We picked this open, he pinned it up with 3 pins, and now we added some alien technology to the plug with some undercuts for him. So I hope, Patrick, this time the locks I return to you actually return to you and doesn't get lost in the mail. But the second one he sent is a Jaco. I haven't seen this one before, and he doesn't send me any key to this. So we'll have to pick it open. But this lock is so poorly made, so it's very easy to just open it with some shims, like so. That being said, that's one of the things you can do when you don't have a key and you can't pick it open. You can always shim it. And of course, I believe this isn't hardened as it says, but hey, let's find out. China has surprised before when doing this. Not this time either. There's no surprise there. I hope you can see that mark. Yeah, no hardened whatsoever. So, picking this one open, I have been experimenting with a new camera setup here, so we'll see if this works. You will watch the whole thing from above instead of slightly from the side. So we'll see if this is any better for you. Putting it up. Let's get you centered here. Okay, I hope that's a good view, and I hope that I'm not blocking it too much. So I've looked at the housing here, and you can see that we have five pins and one pin holding the plug. So let's pick this open, and kind of like my homemade top of keyway tension here, so we'll go with that and my thin hook. Let's see if we can just attack it with some basic zipping for starters. See if we can set any pins that way. Just feeling around in the lock here, try to find some first binder here. Maybe everything is overset by doing the zipping thing. So we reset the tension and go with SPP instead. Or why not? Why not try? Why not try our city rake and see if we can rock it open before we do the single picking. No luck there. Try to pick open without resetting here. At least we set some pins, I believe. Number 1 is certainly set, he's really loose. It's all standards in here, by the way. Second pin also feels loose, third is a bit springy, fourth one is springy, the fifth one at the rear. Very springy. You can hear him drop when I remove the pick from him. So no one is actually binding up. That tells me one thing, and I probably overset one of the pins. Probably, so I'm letting some tension go and try to just rake him like this and see if the overset one can drop. Definitely heard 1 or 2 on drop, so let's see if we can't get it open now. Tried it with this tool off camera just before I started the film, and it worked then, so should work this time also. There we go. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So, not much of a challenge here, but I wouldn't expect any other thing from this Chinese Jaco lock. So thank you again, Patrick. You are too kind to send me all these locks. I will do a return to you with your locks, and hopefully this time the postal service can do the job properly. Again, this is the Picky Swede. Don't forget to like and subscribe.